Hello students, today we see Bernoulli's equation. So in last lecture we have seen linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So similar to that equation, Bernoulli's equation is dy by dx plus py is equal to q into y raised to n, where p and q are functions of x only. So we see method of solution. This Bernoulli's equation we can reduce in linear differential equation. So first we divide this y raised to n on both sides of the equation. Therefore we get 1 upon y raised to n into dy by dx plus 1 upon y raised to n into py is equal to q into y raised to n upon y raised to n. Now here we get this 1 upon y raised to n means y raised to minus n into dy by dx plus here p into y raised to 1 minus n is equal to, here y raised to n gets cancelled, is equal to q. So now in this equation this coefficient of p is y raised to 1 minus n, and we put for that u, or we substitute u for y raised to 1 minus n. Then differentiating this u with respect to x, we get du by dx is equal to derivative of y raised to 1 minus n is 1 minus n into y raised to 1 minus n minus 1, that is y raised to minus n, into again derivative of y is dy by dx. Therefore in above equation, our equation number 2, we substitute these values. So first term y raised to minus n dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus n into du by dx. From this du by dx we get y raised to minus n dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus n into du by dx, and we substitute this value in above equation. So above equation becomes 1 upon 1 minus n into du by dx plus p into u. We have substituted y raised to 1 minus n by u is equal to q. So by multiplying y raised to multiplying by 1 minus n here in denominator, or coefficient of du by dx is 1 upon 1 minus n. So to cancel this we multiply this equation by 1 minus n, and therefore we get du by dx plus 1 minus n into pu is equal to 1 minus n into q. And you see this is nothing but linear differential equation in variable u. You know the type of linear differential equation is dy by dx. Instead of y, here we have u. so du by dx plus p into y, so our p is 1 minus n into p. And therefore, and our q, instead of q we have here 1 minus n into q. So this is linear differential equation in variable u, and therefore from this we can solve this equation by method of linear differential equation. So what we do in linear differential equation, that means find integrating factor and then write formula for solution and then integrate the terms. So we see now example of Bernoulli's equation. So here is example, solve tan y into dy by dx plus tan x is equal to cos y into cos cube x. So first we have to write this equation in standard form. So first we divide this by this coefficient of dy by dx, that is tan y whole equation. So dividing by tan y we get dy by dx plus here is tan x divided by tan y is equal to here cos y, so divided by tan y into cos cube x. So that means dy by dx plus this tan x upon tan y, after solving we get cot y, 1 upon tan y here we get, that is cot y, and tan x is here, this is equal to this cos y upon tan y, that means cos y into cot y, cos y upon sin y. 1 upon tan y means cos y upon sin y. So we get dy by dx plus cot y into tan x is equal to cos y into cot y is equal to cos cube x. Now here this is Bernoulli's equation, this is dy by dx, p into y, instead of that here we get cot y, and here is q into y raised to n. So remember, instead of y, p into y, instead of y there is function of y, and here instead of y raised to n here is function cos y into cot y. So this is Bernoulli's equation, and for that here we divide the equation by cos y into cot y. Whatever is here on right hand side, function of x is a q, so coefficient of q whatever it may be, function of y, we divide the equation by that coefficient. So here is cos y into cot y, so we divide this equation by cos y into cot y. Therefore here 1 upon cos y cot y means 1 upon cos means sec y, 1 upon cot y means tan y, so sec y tan y into dy by dx plus here this cot y upon cot y cos y get cancelled, and 1 upon cos y means sec y, so here we get sec y into tan x is equal to, here this get cancelled cos y cot y and only remains cos cube x. So now in this equation here the coefficient of this p is sec y, then put for this u, what is the coefficient of p, for that we substitute u, so that here we get some p into u. So put u is equal to sec y. Again differentiate u, that is du by dx is equal to derivative of sec y is sec y into tan y, but this is the derivative of with respect to y. We have to differentiate with respect to x, therefore take derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Therefore substituting this in above equation, we get the value of dy by dx is nothing but sec y into tan y into dy by dx. Value of this is du by dx. Therefore here is only du by dx plus the sec y is we have put for it u. Therefore this is tan x into u is equal to here right hand side as it is cos cube x. Now this is a linear differential equation. Instead of y, here variable is u, du by dx plus p means tan x into u is equal to q. P and q are functions of x. So this is linear differential equation in variable u. So for solution, first we find integrating factor. It is equal to e raised to integral p dx. P means here coefficient of u, that is tan x. Therefore e raised to integral tan x dx is equal to e raised to integral of tan x is log sec x. Therefore e raised to log sec x, and we have given you the formula for this. We get this is equal to only sec x. So integrating factor is equal to sec x. So for solution we write formula as solution of the linear equation above equation 4 is we write y into integrating factor always, but here our variable is u in this equation. So u into integrating factor is equal to integration of integrating factor into q. In this equation q is cos cube x dx plus c. So substitute value of integrating factor, we get u into sec x is equal to integration of sec x into cos cube x dx plus c. That is u into sec x is equal to here sec x into cos cube x. Sec x is 1 upon cos x, therefore here remains cos square x dx plus c. Now to integrate this cos square x, we use formula for cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. You know this formula of trigonometry. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, or this is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, or if we want this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, but here we want cos square theta, so we write here 2 cos square theta minus 1. From that cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. That means here cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 into dx. So this is equal to here two terms or for integration. So 1/2 dx, integral 1/2 dx plus this cos 2x upon 2 into dx plus constant of c. So integrating 1/2 we get x upon 2 plus 1/2 into integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by derivative of 2x is 2 plus c. So u sec x is equal to x by 2 plus this is sin 2x upon 4 plus c. So u is equal to x upon dividing by this sec x. To find u, dividing by sec x, we get u is equal to x upon 2 sec x plus sin 2x upon 4 into sec x plus c upon sec x. This is equal to x cos 1 upon sec means cos Therefore x cos x upon 2 plus sin 2x into cos x upon 4 plus c cos x. So this is value of u, but we have substituted u for sec y. Therefore substituting value of u sec y, we get sec y is equal to x cos x upon 2 plus sin 2x cos x upon 4 plus c dash cos x. And this is the solution. So this is method of solution. If we understand method of solution of linear differential equation, then this is easy to solve Bernoulli's equations. Only convert that equation in linear differential equation. So we stop here.